Hello traders, this is Bank Nifty Future 1 minute chart. Today April 10 Monday market after 11:40 am buy call generated. So green color candle open, buy at 41,064 entry point, straight white color line from green color candle entry point line, 100 point first target, 200 point second target. Daily basis, whenever market trend changes you will receive calls like this. Today market opened as a flat market of previous day momentum. April 10 9:15 am first candle. This sell call generated previous day itself. Sell call generated at Thursday market after 1:30 pm 41,246. In 6 minutes of sell call generated 100 point downside momentum first target breakout. Like this on Thursday the sell call generated and sell trend followed today also up to 11:30 am. After 11:30 market started to move in upper side direction, bullish momentum. So upper side breakout, buy call generated. Every day in this chart each 1 minute candle analyzed and breakout happen mean calls will be generated. The calls will come like a signal in live market. Today buy call generated at 41,064 range, first target 41,166.70, 103 point first target range. After 30 minutes of buy call momentum, it finally able to break out the first target range. Like this in Nifty chart also buy call generated after 11:40, 17,698, that is our entry point line. First target 17,743, 45 point first target range. That first target also after 40 minutes of trading it break out the first target range. Like this today buy call generated in Bank Nifty as well as Nifty in today's market and break out the target also. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart means just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.